Good morning, welcome to my channel. My channel is inspiring channel. I inspire people how to be healthy and fit in your daily life. So today I'm going to show you the benefit of ginger, and this is cloves. Ginger is full of antioxidant and it prevent a lot of stress. Also they help body fight off chronic disease like high blood pressure, heart disease, and diseases of the lungs. Plus it also promote healthy aging lifestyle. This is cloves. This has full of antioxidants. This can help to reduce our lot of diseases and keep our body fit for our daily life. The antioxidants found in cloves can help reduce risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancer. So I have water in the pot and I turn on my stove and I'm going to boil all of my ginger pieces. And I'm going to put my cloves here and I'm going to boil them about 10 minutes. After that, I can drink that water with lemon, or I can put some tea, and this is very helpful for our body. Every morning, empty stomach, you can drink this water. This will prevent body from a lot of diseases and it can lead a healthier life. I just turn off my stove. My ginger water done boiling. Now I'm going to drain all of them ginger water here. And now I'm going to add piece of lemon. I squish all of the juice and I make my water like little bit cool. So after I add lemon, sometimes I add honey and drink with empty stomach. This water is very healthy and it has a lot of benefit for our body. Sometimes I add here tea bag and I make them boil about 2 more minutes, then I drink as a tea. My tea is ready, so I'm going to add little bit honey here. This is the healthy way to drink tea.